Hey there, fellow SEO enthusiasts. So, you've got a local business and you're looking to rank better on search engines, right? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through 10 things you must have on your local business website homepage to boost your SEO rankings. These are expert approved tips that will help you not just show up in search results but stand out. Let's dive right in. Point number one, clear branding and business info. First up, make sure your business name, address, and phone number, your NAPI, are clearly displayed on your homepage. Search engines love consistency, and having these details right at the top helps build trust with Google and your customers. Point number two, optimize title tag and meta description. Next, you can't forget about your title tag and meta description. These are essential for SEO. Keep your title tag concise with your location and main keyword. Your meta description should be a compelling, clear description of your business to encourage clicks. Point number three, mobile friendly design. Listen, more and more people are searching from their phones, so make sure your website is mobile friendly. A responsive design ensures that your customers get the best experience whether they're at home or on the go. Point number four, local keywords. Don't forget your local keywords. Think about what your customers are searching for. Are they looking for best coffee shop in city name? Include these local keywords naturally throughout your homepage content. Point number five, Google My Business integration link your Google My Business profile to your website. This is crucial for local SEO. If your business is verified on Google, you'll show up in local searches and maps, helping more people find you. Point number six, user-friendly navigation. A clean, easy to navigate homepage is a must. Your visitors should find what they need without any hassle. If they can't easily find your services or contact info, they'll bounce. And Google notices that. Point number seven, local reviews and testimonials. Add local reviews and testimonials right on your homepage. Positive reviews not only build trust, but also send a signal to search engines that you're a reputable business in the area. Point number eight, high quality visuals and media. Use high quality images and videos that showcase your products or services. Be sure to optimize them for fast loading times too. No one likes waiting for a slow page to load. Point number nine, calls to action, CTAs. Always include clear calls to action on your homepage, whether it's booking a consultation, getting a quote, or simply contacting you. The easier you make it for customers to take action, the better for your conversions and SEO. Point number 10, structured data and schema markup. Finally, don't overlook structured data or schema markup. It might sound technical, but this helps search engines understand your business better and display rich results like reviews, product prices, and events right on search pages. So there you have it. These 10 things will not only help your website rank better locally, but also improve your user experience and conversions. If you're just starting out with local SEO, these tips are a great foundation to build on. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more SEO tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.